Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting on a stable surface. Lay a soft cloth down to protect the watch. Press and hold the small band release button on the back while you slide the strap sideways. This disengages the latch. Do the same for the other side. If a link or connector feels stuck, make sure you're fully depressing the release, then wiggle gently. Once done, inspect the rail and groove for debris so the new band will seat cleanly and lock into place without forcing it. You'll orient the new band so the writing or buckle faces the direction your wrist expects, then slide the rail into the watch groove until you hear or feel a click. This confirms the latch engaged. If it has quick-release pins, pull the small lever to seat the pin, then release. For metal links, remove or add links now to get close to final fit because it's easier off the wrist. Once done, tug gently to confirm both sides are secure and aligned. Now customize the face. Press and hold the display until the face gallery appears, then swipe to browse or tap Customize to change colors and complications, which give quick access to apps and data. Once you pick a face, tap Add or Done to make it active. Make sure sensors sit flat against your skin for accurate readings. If the band feels loose or buttons and sensors act up, restart the watch and reseat the band. That simple reset often fixes connectivity or fit issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.